Boom! That's what used to happen. It was very interesting, and we got practice to that sound coming, that we knew that the bomb was going to explode, but not here, somewhere else, because it passed us. And the sound used to always be like this. Boom! The worst memory of the war is seeing a lot of dead people lying all over the island. I saw many dead people, especially, Thika Bridge. That bridge used to be maybe 3 or 4 dead people with maggots running in. Because there was nobody to clear them. Nobody to report about them. And that is what used to happen.